myself, J.V. Dr. Monica Trivedi. I am from Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Cambridge University. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on organic rearrangement. It is a part of organic chemistry. It is a subject included in MSc third semester. So today we are going to learn about what is rearrangement. The rearrangement is basically the term in which the molecule, the geometry of the molecule rearranged by 1-2 shift. How rearrangement is different from elimination, substitution, addition, reaction. In rearrangement process, if we take a molecule, suppose we have A and B, a molecule attached with some group. When rearrangement occurs in this molecule, the migratory aptitude shows that this group is migratory group. This group will migrate on B position. This is called 1-2 shift. The molecule attached with A will detach with A and shift to the B. This is called rearrangement. You can see here the whole molecule rearranged by shift. So it is a rearrangement. Next, we are going to learn about types of rearrangement. Here you can see 6 types of rearrangement is occur. First is intermolecular rearrangement. Intramolecular rearrangement. Third is heterolytic rearrangement. Fourth is homolytic rearrangement. Fifth is nucleophilic rearrangement, and sixth is aromatic rearrangement. These are 6 types of rearrangement occur in organic rearrangement. First, you can see intramolecular rearrangement in same molecule when formation of another molecule. Okay, it takes place. Suppose you can take A and B as a molecule. If a migratory group totally detached with A and migrate to position B, it is called intermolecular rearrangement. What is different in intramolecular rearrangement? The bond formation and bond breaking occur at same time. The molecule not completely detached or not completely bonded with another molecule. So in this condition, a transition structure formed here. So it is a intramolecular rearrangement. What is heterolytic rearrangement? A heterolytic rearrangement takes place through positive and negative charge, cation and anions. What happens in heterolytic rearrangement? You can see a carbon and carbon bonded with another molecules. Here a positive ion present. Okay, and here a migratory is present. What happened? 1-2 shift, the molecule will rearrange. How it rearrange? This migratory group will react with this positive charge, will give their electron to this positive charge and reform the molecule. You can see now the positive charge or a carbon cation will shift to here and the migratory group will shift here. radical. Okay. This free radical will use in further reaction. Okay. Next is nucleophilic rearrangement. Nucleophilic rearrangement is occurred by nucleophile species which react with the molecule A, and simply it will shift by one to shift and give the rearranged molecule. Okay. The last one is aromatic rearrangement. In aromatic rearrangement, you can see by its name, aromatic rearrangement occur only in aromatic compounds or the cyclic compound. The aromatic rearrangement occur by side chain or a group attached with a cyclic chain. Suppose Z is a magnetic group, will rearrange with the delocalization of double bonds. Okay, so after one to shift, the molecule will rearrange and this magnetic group will shift it here, and this double bond will also shifted and change their position. Okay, so these are 6 types of rearrangements. Now we move on migratory aptitude. What is migratory aptitude? The migratory aptitude is an ability of migrating group to move from one carbon to another carbon. And what will give this ability to migratory group? It is depend on more stable carbocation. How much more stable carbocation will originated by the one-two shift. If we take an example, if carbon has CH3, CH3, OH, OH, H and H. This is a diol. What happened? The migratory aptitude of hydrogen is greater than CH3. Okay, so when migration occur, what group will migrate? So here we can see the hydrogen has more migratory aptitude. So in this rearrangement, the hydrogen atom will migrate. Okay, how it will migrate and give the product? The product is carbon, carbon. Here is a diol converts into ketone and will give the CH, H, CH3 and CH3. The migratory aptitude order is hydride, phenyl, 3-degree alkyl, 2-degree alkyl, 1-degree alkyl and CH3. Also, as a migratory group, hydrogen is more migratory aptitude occur. Second is Me3, CH2, Me3, Me2, CH3, Me, CH3, and last one is CH3. This is its migratory aptitude. All the rearrangement is based on the migratory aptitude. Now we move on electron deficient rearrangement. We have to learn 3 types of electron deficient rearrangement. First is electron deficient rearrangement to carbon deficient. Second is electron deficient rearrangement to nitrogen. And third is electron deficient rearrangement carbonate, in which we have to learn pinacol rearrangement. The pinacol rearrangement is very popular rearrangement. Pinacol rearrangement, many times the question come in net exam also. Here you can see in pinacol rearrangement, Wessinger diol converts into ketone and aldehyde in presence of acid. What happened in this rearrangement? CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is a diol. In presence of acid H2SO4, it will convert into ketone CH3 and CH3. Mechanism of this rearrangement. Firstly, the carbocation will OH, CH3, 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 CH3 and OH. Oxygen has lone pair. In first step, acid will react with oxygen and OH is formed. The bond molecule is here, CH3, CH3, CH3 and here is OH. In next step, this hydrogen, this oxygen has positive charge because oxygen can only make 2 bonds and here as you can see 3 bonds is occur. So what happened? This oxygen will give the electron to this carbon and H2O molecule will raise. So what is the next step? In next step, carbocation is formed. Carbon, carbon, positive charge. This will here and here you can see the carbocation CH3, CH3, OH, CH3 and CH3. At this step, 1-2 shift is occur. What happened here? This CH3 group will migrate to this carbocation and the carbocation will shift here. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. OH and CH3 and positive charge. Carbocation. Okay. Now in this oxygen has lone pair. Okay. This lone pair will shift it here. The molecule also rearrange. Okay. Carbon, CH3, 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 double bond OH, double bond OH and CH3. The final product, here you can see oxygen has 3 bonds. This bond will eliminate minus H plus CH3, C double bond O, C, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is ketone. So in starting we have 1,2 diol.